Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your CallApp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above your photo profile, click on it. So when you click here on your photo profile, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on overlay screens, just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just come here to show not on straight overlay. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean show not on straight overlay disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.